Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is least frequently used page replacement algorithm. Simply LFU page replacement algorithm. So in this algorithm, we consider a reference string here. So in this reference string 53696 and so on. So these are all actually numerical values, and we don't consider these are all numerical values. So this is can be considered as a data. So this data has to be inserted in our main memory in terms of frames. Okay. So for reading this data into the main memory, we should consider the number of frames in the main memory. Suppose the number of frames in the main memory are 3. Okay. So here these are 3 frames here. 3 frames initially are empty. So empty frames can be denoted as -1. So initially all the 3 frames are empty and we need to insert all this data into the main memory. So for our convenience, I'm just repeating the writing this reference string like this. So 53696 and so on. Now initially for the first iteration, I need to insert the first page, that is 5, into the main memory. So all these 3 frames are free here. So just I'm inserting 5 in the first frame. In the second iteration, 5 is already there. I need to insert the second frame, second page, that is 3, and the third frame will be free only. That means indicated with the minus. In the third iteration, 5 is already there, 3 is already there, 6 will be inserted here. Right? So how many number of frames here? 3 only. So for the next iteration, there will be no free memory space available in the main memory. 3 memory frames are available here. Now what should I do? So for inserting 9 into the main memory, we apply least frequently used page replacement algorithm. Okay. So for applying this LFU algorithm, just first of all, we need to maintain one thing here. Let me write here. So for 5, for 3, for 6. Okay. So actually, in the first iteration, 5 has been inserted, right? So what is the degree of 5? So degree is denoted means whenever any page has inserted in the main memory, degree will be incremented by 1. So initially all the pages will be having the degree 0. Now after inserting 5, the degree will become 1. Okay. So after 3 has inserted, the degree become for 3 as 1. For 6 also the degree 1. So here we need to maintain the degrees here. Just I am denoting like this. Degrees. Okay. So these are all pages and these are all degrees. Now for 5, 3, 6, all these 3 are same. For inserting 9, we need to check about these degrees. So whichever the page has least degree, then that will be removed and the new page will be inserted in that place. Okay. But here when you consider all these degrees, all these 3 degrees are same. So if ever one page is having a least degree, that will be removed. But here all these 3 are same. So in this case, at this situation, apply FIFO, first in first out page replacement algorithm concept here. Whenever all these degrees are same. So here, among these 3, whichever page came first, 5 came first. So 5 will be deleted first. And 5 will be replaced with 9, 3 as usual, 6 as usual. So 5 has actually replaced with 9 means just replace here also, and the degree of 9 is 1 only. Why? Because just now 9 came here. Okay. Then what is the next iteration? In the next iteration, 6 has to be inserted. So 6 already there in the main memory, 936. So no need to worry about this. So 936. So there will be a page sheet. There will be a page sheet. So page sheet can be denoted with a star. Page sheet can be denoted, just I am denoting with a star. Star indicates that is a page it is. So that means the required page is already there in the main memory. Now already page is there in the main memory means it is a page hit. In the next iteration, so after inserting 6, we got a page hit means we need to increment the degree of 6 here. So now already the degree of 6 is 1. Now it has incremented to 2. Okay, then in the next iteration 2 has to be inserted. So by replacing any one of the existing page. So before inserting 2, check about the degrees. So whichever the least degree is there, then that will be removed and replaced with the new one. Okay, here 9 and 3 has the same degree, 1 and 1, but 6 has a degree 2. So 6 cannot be deleted here, so 6 will be remained as it is, and between 9 and 3 which will be deleted. So when we are having the degrees are same, apply the FIFO technique here, first in first out page replacement algorithm technique. That means out of 9 and 3, which came first? 3 came first. So 3 will be deleted, 2 will be inserted into the main memory. That means 3 will be replaced with the 2 and 9 as it is. So actually 3 is replaced with 2 means just I'm writing here, just replacing the page ID here 2, and the degree is 1 only. For 2 the degree is 1. And now 3 will be replaced with something, right? Here first check about the degree. So 6 degree is 2, so 6 can't be deleted. Why? Because it has the highest degree among the remaining. And 9 and 2, among 9 and 2 which will be replaced? Apply FIFO technique here. So 9 came first means 9 will be deleted first, and 2 as it is. So replace 9 with a 3. The degree for 3 is 1 only. Why? Because before that already 3 has inserted and deleted here. So we don't consider that degree. Why? Because whenever it was removed from the main memory, the degree will be 0. And now newly it has again inserted here. So that means from 0 it has incremented just by 1, that is 1 only. So for 3 the degree is 1. Now 5 has to be inserted. So already 5 is not there in the main memory means it should be replaced with something. Okay, first of all check about the degrees. So 6 has the highest degree, that is 2. So 6 will not be removed. And among 3 and 2, 2 came first. Apply FIFO technique here. 2 came first, and 3 just has inserted. So 2 will be replaced with a 5, and 3 as it is. So 2 has removed means 2 will be replaced with 5 here with the degree 1 only. 5 has the degree 1 only. Now then 2 is not there in the main memory. So what should I do? I need to check about the degrees. So 6 cannot be removed. Why? Because the degree of 6 is 2 only, and apply FIFO technique among 3 and 5. So 3 came first, so 3 will be replaced with 2, and 5 as it is. So 3 will be replaced with 2. Okay, then so 1 in the next iteration 1. So 6 can't be deleted. Why? Because the degree is 6 has the highest degree. Then among 2 and 5 which came first? 5 came first. So 5 will be replaced with 1, and 2 as it is. So 5 is replaced with 1. Okay, then 3. So 6 again has the highest degree, can't be deleted. Among 2 and 1, 2 came first. So 2 is replaced with 3, 1 as it is. So just replace this here also. Then 6. So now page hit occurred. Page hit occurred for 6. So page hit can be denoted with a star. So for which page it occurred? For 6 only. So for 6 page it occurred means the degree will be increased by 1. So 2 becomes 3. Okay, then the next iteration 2. So 6 cannot be deleted because it has the highest degree. Among 3 and 1 came first. That means 1 will be replaced with 2. 3 as it is. Here also 1 will be replaced with 2. And in the next iteration again page it occurred. 3, 2, 6. So page it can be denoted with star, and we should increment the degree. Here 3 becomes 4. Now 6 cannot be deleted. Why? Because it has the highest degree. So among 3 and 2, which will be removed? So 3 came first means 3 will be removed, and 2 as it is. So for 5, the degree is 1 only. Then 3. 2 will be replaced with 3, 5 as it is, 6 as it is. Here. Again page it upward. 5, 3, 6. So page it upward, and the degree will be incremented. Okay, then again page it upward for 5. 5, 3, 6. So now page it upward for which page? For 5, page it upward. So increment the degree for 5 only, from 1 become 2. And now 6 cannot be deleted. So 2 is not there. So 6 cannot be deleted because it has the highest degree. And 5 cannot be deleted because it is the second highest degree. And only the thing is 3. 3 is the having the lowest degree. So 3 will be replaced with 2. And the degree for 2 is 1. Now here also for the next iteration, 6 cannot be deleted because it is having the highest degree. Next 5 is the next highest degree, and the only chance is 2. 2 will be replaced with the 1. So 1. Yeah. So this is how least frequently used page replacement algorithm works. So here in this case, least frequently used. One thing you need to observe here: frequently used, least frequently used, or frequently used. So frequently used. In this case, in this algorithm, 6 has inserted at the third iteration. So whenever it has inserted at the third iteration, it is continuously existed at the end of the algorithm, up to the end of the algorithm. Why? Because it is frequently used by this replacement algorithm. Frequently used. Frequently used means, why I can say it is a frequently used page? Why? Because the degree of 6 is getting incremented by iteration by iteration. So that is why whenever we got the highest degree means it is frequently used by the page replacement algorithm. Here also 5 has frequently used for 2 times. Frequently used. And in the next iteration again it is used. So 5 has frequently used in this case. So least frequently used means, so whichever the page is not useful frequently, that only should be removed. So in this case, 6 is frequently used by the page replacement algorithm means it should not be deleted at any case. But for the remaining pages, those are all least frequently used pages. That is why they have been deleted and replaced with a new one or new pages. So that is about least frequently used. Now we need to calculate the number of page faults. Before going to calculate the number of page faults, what are the number of page hits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many number of page hits? 5. And total number of page faults, that is total number of pages minus, that is 20 minus 5, which is equals to 15. So 15 number of page faults are there for this reference string using least frequently used page replacement algorithm. Thank you.